What's the meaning of cockerel? Cockerel. Cockerel.
Cockerel. Cockerel. A cockerel is a male chicken that is less than a year old. They are known for their bright and colorful feathers as well as their distinctive crowing sound. Cockerels are often raised for their meat and eggs, although some people also keep them as pets. In many cultures, the cockerel is seen as a symbol of masculinity and strength, and it is sometimes used in artwork and literature as a metaphor for these qualities. Overall, the cockerel is an important animal in the agricultural and cultural history of many societies around the world.